Hey signers, in this video, I'm going to teach Kate, Lane, and you signs for Earth Day. But don't just think that you can only use these signs on Earth Day. They are great to use any day. So let's learn how to sign Earth Day signs. Earth. Earth. Your non-dominant hand is a fist, and your dominant is showing the axis that the Earth is on. Earth. All right, can you do Earth? Very good. Awesome. Day. Day. Your non-dominant arm is the flat horizon, and your dominant hand is a D hand coming down. Day. All right, can you do day? Very good. Recycle or recycle. There are many different signs for this, but the ones that I've seen the most are an R going around in a circle or an R going around in a circle like this. Recycle or recycle. All right, can you do recycle? Very good. Why do you think this is the sign?
Because it's going to be reused again and again.
Right, it's that circle that's going over and over and over again.
Usually signs have a meaning to what they look like.
You're right. Very good. Awesome job. Who are you learning sign language from? To reuse. Reuse. It's the sign use and again. Reuse. Can you do reuse, use, again? Very good. Awesome job. Reduce. Reduce. You have V-shaped hands with the dominant kind of bent coming down, showing less of something. Reduce. All right, can you do reduce? Very good. Bring it down. Save, as in to keep. Your non-dominant hand is a fist and your dominant is a V, keeping something. To save or to keep? Okay, can you do save? Very good.
Save money.
Save your money, to keep your money. To clean. To clean. Your non-dominant hand is facing up like the surface of something that is dirty, and your dominant hand is brushing off the dust. To clean. Okay, can you do to clean? Do you like to clean? Not even a little bit? Like the satisfaction of whenever
maybe like wiping windows.
Okay, I'll take that. That's gonna be your next chore. Green. Green. It's a G hand shaking back and forth. Green. Can you do green? Awesome. Did we wear something today that kind of matches with the theme?
Yeah.
Oh boy, she is my daughter.
Yeah, I'm her daughter. And she's my mom. So.
Environment. Environment. You have an index finger and an E hand coming around, representing the environment surrounding. Environment. All right, can you do environment?
Environment.
Very good. Live. Live. Live is like you are breathing. Live. Can you do live? Very good. What does it look like we're doing?
You're breathing.
You're correct. All right, thanks for joining me today. You wanna go and wash those windows?
No.
How about math homework?
Bye.
All right, Lane, you ready to learn some signs with me?
Uh-huh.
Yep. Paper. Paper. Your non-dominant hand is facing up and your dominant is pushing in towards your elbow. Paper. All right, can you do paper? Very good. Do you use a lot of paper at school?
Uh-huh.
But do you recycle it at school?
No. Not that much.
Okay, so maybe we should talk to your school about that?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Plastic or plastic as in flexible. You either finger spell plastic or the sign for flexible or plastic. Okay, Lane, can you show me plastic? Very good. Awesome job. Glass. Glass. It's an X-shaped hand tapping right here on your teeth. Glass. Okay, can you do glass? Very good. To plant, like you're spreading seeds out. This is showing the seeds sprinkling along the ground. To plant, like you're dropping seeds. All right, can you show to plant like you're dropping seeds? Plant, plant. This is also the same sign for spring. You just use it in the context of the sentence. Plant. All right, can you show me plants? Very good. What does it look like they're doing?
It's like this part is a seed and then it's growing up.
Very good observation. You're pretty smart, aren't you? Yeah. Tree. Tree. Your non-dominant arm is the ground and your dominant is the tree. Its trunk and then its branches. Tree. Okay, can you do the sign for tree? We'll make sure you have the branches. There you go. Flower. Flower. You have a flat O-shaped hand coming up to your nose like you're smelling the flowers. Flower. All right, can you do the sign for flower? Very good. Sun or sun. You either have a C-shaped hand coming up into the sky or a flat O shining down. Sun or sun. All right, can we do the sign for sun? Very good. The sun, and then can we have it shining down? Very good job. Water. Water. You have a W bringing it up to your mouth. Water. Can you do the sign for water? Good job. Air. Air. You finger spell air. All right, can you do A, I, R for air?
Ew.
Good job. Thank you for joining me today.
Bye.
See ya. Now, let's put these signs into sentences. The 3 R's are reduce, reuse, and recycle. 3 R, reduce, reuse, recycle. What do you want to do on Earth Day? Earth Day, you want activity, what you? It's important to take care of our environment. Environment, take care, important. Save that so we can reuse it again. Point, save, reuse, can. As you can see, we have such a fun time learning together as a family. Try learning with your family. And don't stop learning here. Go check out our other videos with Kate and Lane. If I do say so myself, they're pretty cute to watch. Also, if you're wanting to take your ASL to the next level with courses, check out our accelerated program. Link in the description. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.
Keep that in.
You think that's funny?
Yeah, keep that in.